Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Callaway Golf Supersoft golf balls. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of long-distance performance, soft feel, and greenside control, these are the balls you need in your bag. The Callaway Supersoft has been a top pick for golfers for years, and with the version, they've managed to improve on an already great design. These golf balls are built with a new hybrid cover that features an innovative paraloid impact modifier made by Dow Chemical. This technology combines a multi-material construction that boosts ball speeds for a higher launch, reduces spin for longer distance, and provides that signature soft feel that Callaway is known for. What sets these balls apart is the high-speed soft compression core, which maximizes energy transfer. This core helps increase ball speeds while promoting a high launch and low spin, especially when using your longer clubs. This means you'll see more distance off the tee and better control around the greens. In addition, the hex aerodynamics of these balls reduces drag and enhances lift, giving you more carry and higher flight, so your shots go farther with less effort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Supersoft balls provide excellent performance on both long drives and delicate approach shots. They're perfect for golfers who want a soft feel without sacrificing distance. So, if you want to take your game to the next level with the best Callaway golf balls, the Supersoft is a must-try. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.